Look at that glowy skin. कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. Hello my gorgeous souls, I'm makeup artist Titley Mukherjee and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this gorgeous base, very skin-like, glowy, very chic, very stylish, all that, but under 15 minutes. Yes, आप ये पूरा makeup look कर सकते हो under 15 minutes because I know कि करवा चौथ में मैक्सिमम लोग इतना ज़्यादा बहुत ही एक्सटेंसिव मेकअप लुक्स करना नहीं पसंद करते. They want to do something very fast, elegant and glowy लगना है. So yeah, if you're interested to know how I achieved this look and with very minimum products and under 15 minutes, then keep on watching. And yeah, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button right next to the subscribe button so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Come follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Titley Mukherjee. And now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first product that I'll be using is a skincare product. Makeup के पहले prep करना skin is very important. And why not prep with something that will actually work on your skin and आपकी skin को it will make you more glowing, more even toned and more brighter. And of course that is easier said and done because हमारे इतने हेक्टिक और स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ में वो सपना क्लियर ग्लोइंग इवन टोन ब्राइट स्किन पाने का सपना थोड़ा दूर चला जाता है. एंड मुझे पता है कि ये बहुत जनों का प्रॉब्लम, मेरा खुद का प्रॉब्लम था. सो नाउ आई हैव अ सोल्यूशन फॉर यू गाइज. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट फॉर द पास्ट 1.5 to 2 months and this is the Dermaco 10% vitamin C plus 5% niacinamide plus hyaluronic acid face serum. So this is how the bottle looks and oh my god, I can't tell you how beautiful this product is. Firstly, I'll show you a picture and a video of myself के 1.5-2 महीना पहले मेरा फेस का हालत क्या था. I had acne all over here, also here and also here. I don't know whether I'll have all the pictures and all the videos, but जो भी होगा आपको दिखेगा. And now you can see, like you can see these two pictures कि कितना ज़्यादा different है. Now also वो सब आपको acne marks obviously दिखेंगे because इतना जल्दी वो नहीं चला जाता है, but आप देख सकते हो कि कितना कम हो चुका है. So firstly, जो main कारण है वो है इसमें विटामिन C है and that is 10%. Obviously मार्केट में इतने सारे विटामिन C's है. So the answer is very simple क्योंकि बहुत सारे जो विटामिन C आपको मार्केट में मिलते हैं उसका इधर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बहुत कम होता है या फिर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अगर कम होगा then obviously it will not have any effects on your skin and जिसके लिए आप ये खरीदना चाहते हो it will not fulfill the particular purpose. And अगर ये बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ then also it's a problem. Ask me how, because that can definitely give you more acne and more irritations. So we all need that particular percentage जहाँ पे वो बहुत कम भी नहीं हो and बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं हो for our skin. Dermaco has done exactly that and they are giving you 10% of vitamin C in this particular serum. Vitamin C fights pigmentation, brightens skin and also promotes radiance. With that, they are also giving you 5% niacinamide. Works on your sebum production, it also works on your pigmentation and with that it gives you an even toned skin. So this baby has both of these beautiful active ingredients together and in the perfect concentration. हम लोग बहुत सारे जन ऐसे करते भी होंगे like we become our own chemist and हम अपना ये 2 बूंद ले लेते हैं, वो 4 बूंद ले लेते हैं and लगा लेते हैं अपने face पे. But you have to understand that we are no experts and we need a product where it's already pre-formulated for us. Also have hyaluronic acid in this, as we all know that hyaluronic acid is very good for skin hydration. So we are getting the power of 2 super ingredients in one formulation. This serum gives you radiant, even toned, glowing skin. What you have to do is take few drops of it, like 3 से 5 drops आप ले सकते हो. Just massage it onto your skin like this. ऐसे ऐसे करके आपको just massage करना है. Tap it gently and the best part is it's fragrance free. And also you can patch test here and check it for yourself whether it will work on you or not. And you just pat it like this and upward motion में भी आप massage कर सकते हो. And once it completely dries off, then you can go in with a moisturizer. You can use it AM, PM both and thrice a week. You don't have to use it daily, which is a good thing because ये बहुत दिन तक last करेगा and आपको full पैसा वसूल होगा. And also do not forget to use a sunscreen over this if you're using this in the morning. And can you already see the glow on my skin? I don't have to tell you anything. You can see the glow that it gives me. OMG, like it's instant. This is not only a honest brand where they disclose all their active ingredients, concentration and percentages on the box itself, and Dermaco has launched India's first masterclass on skincare of active ingredients so that you guys have all the knowledge about all these ingredients. I would highly recommend you guys to try this product. You can order it on the Dermaco website and also use the code Titley20 to save some coin, because who doesn't want to save coin while shopping. You can also get this on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, but the code will only work on the Dermaco website. Now let's move towards the makeup part. So my skin is all hydrated and all soft and juicy, and now let's make it more juicy, more glowy. Okay, so the first product that I'll be using is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and I'm in the shade 03 light medium, and this is the first product जो मुझे use करना है, and I am a fan. बहुत सारे जन बोलते हैं it is probably not worth it and blah blah, but I don't really care because I have been using this particular product for the past 1.5 to 2 years. yes, and it's going strong, like ये जल्दी ख़त्म नहीं होता, and the effect that it gives you is different. So मैं पूरे स्किन पे ये अच्छे से लगा लूँगी. इट इज़ नॉट अ स्ट्रोब क्रीम, लाइक आप ये कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते एक मैक के स्ट्रोब क्रीम से, बिकॉज दिस इज़ मोर ग्लोई एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज़ अ टिंट, राइट. सो मैक का जो है वो इट्स मोर लाइक अ illuminating cream, but this is not that. इसमें वो शाइन भी मैक से बहुत ज़्यादा है, प्लस विद दैट इट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू इवन टोन्ड स्किन टोन, लाइक ये आपके पिगमेंटेशन को भी थोड़ा बहुत कवर कर लेता है, तो वो भी है. एंड इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ प्राइमर, इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ फाउंडेशन, एंड इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ illuminator over the foundation. So that is why it is a very favorite product of mine, and I really wanted to use this product and show you how gorgeous it looks on the skin. So this is how my face looks. You can see the glow, like you can see it. I don't have to tell you anything. Like इतना खुशी होता है ना मुझे ये glow देख के. So now I'll be using this concealer, this Too Faced concealer, and I will be applying just here, 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 and जहाँ पे भी मेरा spot से थोड़ा बहुत वहाँ पे मैं लगा दूँगी. Not all over, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ही हल्का glowing base चाहिए. So I'll keep it very short and simple, क्योंकि बहुत जन आप लोग इतना ज़्यादा मेकअप करने का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा या करना नहीं चाहोगे, you will be fasting and all, so इतना मेहनत थोड़ी होगा. Now I'll be setting my under eyes and all the places I use the concealer, तो वो मैं set कर लूँगी with this Mars powder that I recently tried for you guys and fell in love. Under eyes मैं अच्छे से set कर लूँगी, बेकिंग भी कर लूँगी क्योंकि अंडर आइज बहुत जल्दी क्रीज होता है इसलिए. एंड ऑल्सो द साइड्स ऑफ माई नोज, ऑल्सो द साइड्स ऑफ माई माउथ, एंड बहुत हल्के हाथों से मैं पूरा फेस अपना सेट कर दूँगी विद द सेम मार्स पाउडर. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, बिकॉज देन वो ग्लो चला जाएगा, इसलिए दिस इज़ मोर देन एनफ. एंड देन आई विल बी यूजिंग अ कॉन्टूर प्रोडक्ट. आई विल बी यूजिंग this Bahama Mama bronzer, and इसका हालत आप देख ही सकते हो. This is my current favorite. I will apply it here to carve out my cheekbones and my jawline. Like हम बंगालीज का तो कोई करवा चौथ नहीं होता है, सो आई जनरली डोंट डू इट, बट आई विश ये हम बंगालीज में भी होता ना तो इतना मज़ा होता. लाइक सभी को ना सभी के ये रीति रिवाजों में ना पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए, बहुत ही मज़ा आता है. बट भूखा भी रहना पड़ता है, दैट्स मस्ट बी वेरी टफ ना, भूखा रहना पूरा दिन, एंड दैट टू भूखा रहना तो फिर भी ठीक है, बट विदाउट वाटर it's actually tough. The blush that I'm using is from MAC and it's in the shade Pinch Me. So मैं अच्छे से blush लगा दूँगी because obviously it's करवा चौथ time and आपको एकदम blushy लगना है. So बहुत ज़्यादा blush हम यूज़ करेंगे, और नाक पे भी थोड़ा, चिन पे भी थोड़ा. Then I'm using the K by Katrina highlighter in the shade Sunlit Gold. बहुत अच्छे से हम shine करेंगे because it's our day and we should be shining, ताकि चाँद भी हमको देख के शर्मा जाए. क्या डायलॉग्स मार रही हूँ मैं. Just above your brows, on the tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, here and everywhere. Now I'll be using my PAC pomade in the shade Walnut Wax, and मैं ये brush लेके I'll start filling in my brows. So for today's eye makeup, I'm using this palette by Morphe. This is Making Bang, and this is how the palette looks. Gorgeous, isn't it? And I'll be using this color, ये color and ये color. ये दो color मैं करूँगी. The first matte shade and putting it in my crease, exactly here, in the windshield wiper motion. एकदम पीछे ब्रश को पकड़ के. Now I'll be using this color and पूरे lid पे I will apply it. I'll be using that same matte color अपने लोअर लैश लाइन पे भी एकदम हल्के हल्के से. Then I'll be applying my favoriteest mascara, and that is this Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara. First I'll be using the curl side and then the volumizing side. Guys, just see, I have used only the curling side, not in the volumizing side. And just look at this. Just look at this. The difference. I don't know how to show you, but I hope you can see it. It's a gorgeous mascara. Like, it's too good. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा महंगा है, but the results it gives is insane. Like, अगर आपको नहीं अच्छा लगता falsies लगाना या फिर आप लगा नहीं पाते हो, then this is the mascara you should be having in your kit. Like, then you probably don't even need any false lashes whatsoever. Just look at the difference. Then I'm using the highlighter in my inner corners. And also on my brow bone. Then I'll be using this lip crayon from Sugar Scarlett O'Hara. ये पूरा खत्म हो चुका है जैसे आप देख सकते हो, and the color is awesome. I'll just reapply my blush क्योंकि थोड़ा कम हो जाता है, and blush is the first thing that moves from your face, that disappears from your face rather. इसलिए मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा blush लगाती हूँ. And of course इस दिन तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा blushy होना बनता है, right? So this is all my makeup look done. Very simple. Like, this will take you hardly 15 minutes to do, and कितना glamorous आप खुद देख पा रहे हो. Now I'll change into my outfit, put on my cute little jewelry, and then come back and show you the final look. Of course इसमें मैंने lashes नहीं लगाया because I think maximum लोगों को lashes लगाने में बहुत problem होता है and वो नहीं लगाना चाहते हैं. That's why I've not used it. But of course अगर आप लगाना चाहते हो, then you can go ahead and do that, and that will elevate this look to another level because obviously lashes makes everything better. But I thought of keeping it very simple and very casual, जो बहुत ही जल्दी हो. And the last step that you should not be missing is this, the MAC Fix Plus all day hydrating spray. This gives you that luminance on your skin. मैंने already apply कर लिया था, but I did not do it on screen, इसलिए फिर से मैंने थोड़ा कर लिया है आपको दिखाने के लिए. It makes your face and your skin look extra glowy. And also a very important step that you should not be missing is this. It's a kajal pencil and you have to put a tika behind your ears so that आपको किसी की नजर ना लगे. This is my entire look complete. I have added one bindi, some sindoor, with that this heavy jewelry जो इसके साथ match नहीं हो रहा है because I've lost it, and also this gorgeous suit. So tell me how am I looking in the comment section below and tell me whether you will try it on your Karwa Chauth or not. Like, मुझे लगता है ये बहुत ही simple, glossy, dewy and yet very chic and very जल्दी करने वाला. Main चीज़ तो ये है, बहुत ही जल्दी आप ये पूरा look achieve कर सकते हो. And last video's commenter of the day goes to this person. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos and talking to me and engaging with me and my content. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. I love you and bye.